Welcome back. According to reports suggesting around 9 people who have been killed and over 30 of them injured in a terror attack reported in Jammu and Kashmir. Terrorists opened fire at a bus that was carrying pilgrims from a shrine in the Riyasi district, leading to the driver losing control of the bus, and thereafter it fell in a gorge, leading to casualties. Senior Superintendent of Police was also present there, saying that as far as the passengers are concerned, many of them were non-locals hailing from Uttar Pradesh.
इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि एक बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ है और ये इनिशियली जो हमें रिपोर्ट आई वो यही है कि मिलिटेंट्स हाथ लगाए बैठे थे और उन्होंने उस बस के ऊपर फायर किया जो कि शिवखोड़ी से निकली थी और टुवर्ड्स कटरा जा रही थी। उसकी वजह से जो ड्राइवर है उसका बैलेंस जो है वो बिगड़ा और वो नीचे बस जो है वो खाई में चली गई। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जो है वो अभी कंप्लीट किया जा चुका है। 9 are cleared dead right now and 33 injured हुए हैं। उनको इमीडिएटली नारायणा हॉस्पिटल और डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल रियासी के लिए एम्बुलेंसेस को निकाल दिया गया है।
हम कहाँ से थे?
ये लोकल्स नहीं हैं, अभी उनकी आइडेंटिटीज जो है वो क्लियर नहीं हो पाई हैं, बट जो अभी इनिशियली पता चला है वो दे मे बी बिलोंग टू यूपी।
Meanwhile, over this incident that is being reported as a terror attack, unfortunately, we're getting to know that the death toll has gone up. One more feared dead. As far as around the death toll, currently we are told stands at 10 over 30 who have been injured. And these pictures that have been coming in right after the rescue operations that were taking place, search operations that have also been launched, and there has been a child as well, unfortunately, who has lost his life in this terror attack. We have Yavar with us right now. Yavar, can you share more details exactly when it comes to the search operations and, of course, when it comes to the condition of those who have been injured?
Well, exactly, Amita. The condition of the other injured are said to be stable. In fact, they have been referred to the Katra hospital. And talking about the search operation, it has been intensified. The joint operation by the security agencies comprising of police, army, and paramilitary, they have launched the multi-dimensional, search operation in the nearby vicinities. And remember that this incident occurred at around 6:10 p.m. yesterday, when the militants opened fire on the bus that was returning from the Shivkhori temple in the Riyasi to the Katra. And after that, the driver lost the control of the bus and fell into a deep gorge, resulting in the death of at least 10 people, and over 18 are injured. They have been evacuated to the hospital for medical attention. And after that, there has been the massive contamination that are pouring in from various quarters. In fact, after the swearing ceremony, the Prime Minister assured all the possible help to those who fell to these, incidents, and the Home Minister.
Yes, we'll talk about the assurance coming in from the centre side and how the centre is closely monitoring the situation. Yavar, please to stay on with us because let's play out a ground report. The incident that was reported around 6:15 p.m. Near the Teyat village in Pune area. Police, Army and the CRPF have now jointly initiated multi-dimensional operations to hunt for the attackers, the terrorists who ambushed the bus.
Once again, terrorists made their presence felt. This time, they ambushed pilgrim vehicle near Riyasi area. They opened fire, because of which the driver lost control of the steering and bus turned turtle and rolled down into gorge, because of which 9 people lost their life and 33 are said to be critically injured. Immediately after that, the rescue operation was launched and police party and administration rushed to the spot. People had been shifted to hospital. Right now you can see search operation has been launched at several places and checking has been intensified. They are checking each and every vehicle passing by. They are trying to look for those terrorists responsible for this gruesome attack. During the last few weeks, we have seen that instead of plains of Kashmir Valley, the terrorists are trying to make their presence felt either in Jammu hinterland or mountains of Poonch and Rajouri. We have seen that recently they have killed one village defense guard in Basantgarh area. That time also, there were inputs that about 15 terrorists are said to be roaming in this belt right from Basantgarh to Riyasi area. And this time, it's clear that these are the foreign terrorists responsible for this attack. They wanted to make their presence felt. They wanted to make big banner headline.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.